Secure Boot is a security feature that helps protect your Windows device by only allowing trusted software to load during startup. When certificates expire, updated certificates are delivered automatically through Windows updates. As of June 2026, certificates issued in 2011 are set to expire. You may have received a notification stating that updates are temporarily paused or that automated updates are blocked due to limitations. Certain devices with the 2011 certificates may not receive updated certificates. If your device is one that does not receive the updated certificates, it is still safe to use your device. Devices that don't receive updated certificates will still function and receive Windows updates. It is only recommended that these users be more cautious when downloading and granting permissions to applications on their device. You can check which Acer devices are supported in the Secure Boot article linked in the description below. To ensure your device stays protected, it is important that the certificates are updated before the current certificates expire. If you have automatic updates turned on or regularly update your device, you've probably already received the updated certificates. To check for Windows updates, open the Settings application. You can do so by holding down the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. On the left side of the Settings window, select Windows Update. If an update is available, you'll be prompted to download and install any updates. To confirm if your device will be receiving the certificate update, you can visit community.acer.com/kb/articles/18840.